right, good afternoon. Welcome to Silver Network Inside Kotoko here on YouTube. Michelle Soba. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to enjoy the amazing content. Praise be our God here. According to the Ghana Football Association, release them the buy no more saying on the transfer situation in Ghana. Quickly, Boameka
now almost say Namia transfer window we know you be closing on Sunday 23rd of August here near closing transfer window no. Omubi no May 25th. And I be a transfer window in 2026 year and be and I closing on August 23rd 2026. And you know she see any I can't because I can't crave answer because I cry 21st till barely 2 days. Not transfer window not close.
And are there signs that they might, according to Omnam 2 months, they might say they are common for
almost say just say a be one of my registrations didn't be one of my a queue so. Until Omunya and IT team Nyan confirm as Omari, Sanadi, Omobit me at Chinchans Sokakra. But say a faina Obabe negotiations, I have against Obabe Tiasimudia, and then no dear Omo intimate Sosana so. But if says a deal, no, I will say go through IT works Nadia, then and no, same po, the time no crowd so 11:59 now, and on the still crown, meeting me, I am a deal no go through the amount. But if say a fain na oba be hye nkomudia ase kra fresher ene eno ne de dabi
na de
ombetwa dabi nti wo bibia na waye ntem because ye na 21st te chere ye wo barely 2 days na ya close transfer window aha nti say wo bibia
so start
10 ane because see ade meka say by now no bia the final touch up so bia then say can the team they can there obi ahu the team wo de bebo ha sa time we dey so nya hu ya na we akachi ti wo bibia na wa ye ntem obi to ana wa to ntem
okay
obi ton obi so ana wa to ntem
na say by Monday na say we we
ya close see the omon can say extensions be ba na say extensions be amba but the da one man say time no so na you close in 11:59 na ya close
Kotoko so far position be na o expect some of being so
position I expecting is number 10 and number 9 and then another center back.
Why
another center back because looking at options you see na where chiri hono no maybe who is say still na no gap egusu da honum because Emranti Asante Kotoko di o ma ba na plus o mo makọ no ablo ekọ Hanrian suko Samba Onel ko na wo hwe Emranti wonum sisie yi na o mo kọ no so bet gap no mu wakakra it seems is a kesepa no men kasa quality but you players na gidie bebre wo mu no o mu nyina na ekọ no o ma chi kura na Zakaria Fuseni so kura sa ani honum ono so kọ enti omo aba be ka omo sisia wo team nim no Hamzata ene Ange Bini mo omo honom no Kadre mo honom no ene Mrantian ene so bad we dey mu aha so a new center back would do then a number 10 so you can want them that I say because Emmanuel Ntwin ka team in the plans will be mu no na wa lead in so na ebo number 10 no you would need somebody or betting so about creative competition no because Kotoko needs that creative number 10 a creator an assister then a goal scorer obetimi ayasanya mani na the amount that number 10 be no they need that in their team CCI which they are lacking and the truth be told so bad that number 10 ni bisa any Asante Kotoko team so Kotoko would need a number 10 obetimi abayesa ejuma na the amount. Aside that, they will also need a number 9. Yes, we can say Solomon Enso, Asa, Abba, no, yingina no, ye can say Nyamia Dumna say far, the agent cross more kind and say, Obetimia Masante Kotoko numbers na Kotoko pen 15 goals no, or more pen, Obetimia mom if he is fitter. Ye nim bebo ma ye. So if Asante Kotoko nya one top number 9 so be kind of one. And obey come up. And I don't know why Kotoko am going for Swedro black striker. Rudolph
Manson.
But still now me dream why Kotoko decided not to go in for Rudolph. Because time now can be so bad. Okay, maybe Kotoko for the omon come see behind the scenes there. I be a fin announcement in my baby. Sanity. But
we are looking out for
a centre back, a number 10, then a number 9.
Okay. Prince Medase.
Okay.
Next, how the keeper crown movie.
Keeper there say soft. Dan Lad, Dari Aziz, Cleverson.
Now with three. Keeper 7. So far, this is what I would prefer. Minyayanka left back umra.
Okay.
Center back umra. And number 10 back umra.
Yeah.
Then number striker back umra. Striker back. 4. Form Samra.
4.
Except those who need Dogo.
Yes,
me say Dogo Minyayanka Nkulu. Oh.
Yeah.
Not those Dogo space, you know. Yam fama striker for. Me de me Minyayanka no.
Okay.
Dogo Nkulu. Yam fa the space, you know.
Former striker for. Okay.
Say that here. Yes. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ba be share unveiling ase.
Okay.
Because officially players no ebiasen signing their contract with the club.
Okay.
So the club will have to unveil these boys to the general public for them to know say you made the same and I echo.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 1. Nyame ya domwa after Ochina friendly game no. Na mpanifo starting keja egum.
Okay.
Meja na mo ka egum no. They will unveil the players in Kotoko jersey.
Okay.
On person use players as ambassadors for the product, the Kotoko brand and the way forward. See, jersey no mo ye jersey announcement no the unveiling no so no.
I can't.
Tattoo. Edini Mr. Kofi Bini was signed 2 years at the Amakotoko. And Kofi Bini. Mebo Baba.
Yeah, it's
Abdul Kader Mohammed. Honestly, me Wajiasha one corner.
Yes.
Then you're okay with it.
How? And the trading.
Eric Better. Wajiasha no. Oh, one side. Solomon Asa. On also a day. Wajiasha no. One side. Yen twaso. The can be back as time goes on.
Okay.
But we dem confirm. Say the make say Ruben Hennessy there no. Okay, say make catch us bibi ni na mframam that day no.
Yes.
Say the man say about on time will be a can be actually
and
Hennessy will not be joining Asante Kotoko. And that is one of the big issues. Hennessy will not be joining Asante Kotoko. I won't come no minti. I know my channel so their mind. Now, Prince.
Boss.
Kotoko youth team almost your players man.
Okay.
Your players be 5.
Okay. Okay.
I'm your release letter mom said. Window new close to question identity no the baby apeso of Fabiano.
With me afa.
Akwa so ho den ahwe. Nya hede nya mbere.
Be
eno no ye nkwala ne de no.
Yes.
We are born to when I answer that answer. Now, my assignment you will keep it. Not my concern.
Okay.
Well, I'm on the time there.
My monitor goalkeeper no.
Monitor keeper no.
Yes. My monitor goalkeeper no.
Yeah, statistics now who you here deal.
Statistics na me who any is ubet.
Who you saying? Kadi o mi do di.
Me kadi o. Okay. Yaw. Mo ya kakra.
Mo ya on.
Bi mu nhye dan de but.
Enyo hu sa on.
Nhye dan yi.
Mamenko for the farmer.
Okay. Goalkeeper no amedi kan ma oni di na Kransa. Na afido wa hu se ne ne City. So but goalkeeper no ni din me bawo me keka we na bom sisi ama sisi. Yes, your friend no Abdel Wadie Mourad.
Abdel Wadie Mourad.
Or 22 years.
Moroccan goalkeeper.
Just 22 years Moroccan goalkeeper. Na the team of boy that is 2024-2025 season. Omo ko relegation. Ye frɛ omo Chabab Mohamedia. Omo ko relegation e the Butala League ni. Butula League. Moroccan League ni sane friend. Omo ne ko relegation so be omo ne twa to kora wo league ni. Omo 16 teams omo nya 4 points. Omo concede 71 goals. And also and almost share 13 goals. Or that 13 games in the mao. It's in the minutes near 1,170 minutes. And or die in the Butula Pro League, you know. A course of 2024-2025 season. The goalkeeper Obano the stats like a crabby. But or a goalkeeper as well, or a very mechanism or a promising star. Say as munya bo tremano now the ne famu a be fa yeah and then they meet me akane sa but baby o free ba no be kan say team no modern bon no na e wo form nti no e affect goalkeeper no so kakra say ka say gina no so nko ade aka de ade
can send you
too bad and then can be kan say nkam fa so ni so nko ba na nka dan lad bit me aye adwuma I don't know if so on never be number 1 there but so on never be number 1 there then I am not happy with this business. Yeah, no. I'm not happy. For a team, the team considers 71 goals, so but almost 13 goals. Or no more so about 13 games. I want the 4 points in the core relegation.
Have you also looking at Morocco League, you know, the standard of the Moroccan League?
Oh yeah, but team core relegation with 4 points. Considers 71. 24-25 season. 71 goals, 13 goals scored, and also bought 13 matches.
Moroccan Day.
Butula
League.
Pro League. Butula Pro. Starts now. But I'd find maybe coach you know what some one thing I am person man 40 as
the highlights in the
yes, also so but he shall find shot stopper.
Ball playing.
Yes, and it'll be there, no problem. Ball playing, obetimi a bobo no kama amount. Send ye 10 clappers we see any man dey obetimi ai. But me no, I am starting to believe that Eric Tenkla maybe he's not looking at goalkeeper obetimi achibo ne bibiri but somebody who can help the team in rebuild. Ederson dey ni bi no. On one chechebo ne bibiri ba team ne build up no o play key role in the team's build up. Chabab. Chabab Mohamedia. Honana Obon
Musume Wama Haidie. I said your reward Morocco League no 22 points.
24-25 season.
24-25. Okay,
and your last season.
Okay.
No more league in 24-25.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Omomodiano, we have 4 points in the day. So, so I am starting to believe that maybe Tenkla no a different plan.
Okay.
Different plan, but in chef say goalkeeping, be a oba bechichi ball no.
Mohamedia.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yes, so 4 points.
4 points.
So goes na the team to consider 71 goals.
That's last season no one.
So last season I say in the last season no omo championship no.
Okay.
Anti.
Okay.
I don't know omo I think say Butula 2 so but the one of my so the one is that this is not too good. Not too comfortable. Yes, Anna. Then it means we are blocking the chances of Dari Aziz and Cleverson. Because the moment he arrives, it means Kotoko being 4 goalkeepers. 4. And then also the Nanka meaning say Cleverson will be having a good time to develop. But Osheseni Niamani see corner. Then it means maybe there was a club on a pay loan option that they make Cleverson.
And now we have a division.
And now some be born division 2 no. Because per the look of things and there's obed. Okasa wo share there. The chances of getting minutes to play in the team, you know, they say at a bafom pa. A bafom. And na meaning say Dan Lad best 30 and also be the number 1 going into the season. Then that will be number 2. But send your name share will go keep in one of I still don't understand why Ten Claudia Baba. He's the coach. It's yes, can be brains what?
The 2024 no
okay.
No more reserve side. And I join you on more. Okusia can kakra the last year we changed club. Okay. I'm looking at the statistics here. Then I said 2024, no 20 years. That I know 20 years. No promoting from reserve side.
Okay.
Then I said clever since say now Goalkeeper Kotoko are promoting from reserve side. Now Goalkeeper wedding. Waba. Okay. Me 12 man.
And see, he's not too big a goalkeeper, and I said, something extraordinary be than lading ye bida. Nina ye who be paying. But send a mechanic. Coach Eric, I want a plan. He has his reasons why he has chosen. Yes, okay. So go ball playing in the Azobe. Then, I am starting to believe that the coach is not really thinking about goalkeeper or a shot stopper.
Are they not said any shot stopper?
No, so but instead of who na yini ya. Enti
see a boy watching your
but in bono see obochi so be obochi you bochi ni bi wono me dey beti bi ache but bochi ni bi wono ma the keeper na chia hu ni say yes maybe come Felix Anana mo bochi ni de Razak Abeloa mo de bass Asante Kotoko bochi ni bi no de Dan Lad mo bochi ni bi no no ne de mention da anya yi sa but send the mechanic ball playing in there coach na anka say him say now he's that style
ball playing
and they super
the impossible
say ball no honum ombo whether short passes or long passes no so bad and they are intact and that is very good, very positive and they on share any problem honum sa but they me person me hu no and with work kakra be kum no so oba I think say and one thing I was looking at so bad the adaptation from Morocco, Eba Ghana, weather issues, culture, Nina also will come to play. Let's not forget. And you know, by the time he adapts, you know, can Kotoko supporters wait until the goalkeeper becomes perfect? Because maybe you're bebano. Because on Shadan you're familiar with how weather no near mano maybe I never beating the kakra. Until bedroom point, you know, people will start to complain. Say goalkeeper Ben Abaya, ebia other pool more husui. For that question, then we are sure say but people should take time. Coach, you know, Eddie thinks say obe fit in the profile and how he wants to play next season. Or the who goalkeeper naba.
Because this is what I'm also getting. The main is you are talking about a goalkeeper. Say eventually bobo EPO. Na or drop ba emfan say maybe a Norway Liga. Say go on just start our EPO no but or drop ba Norway Liga that means oba be say how the amount.
Where did it?
So the standard of the Moroccan League at that time no, we know 20 years. Yes, I feel no more promoting from youth team. I'm about your main team coach, like main goalkeeper. So at that time, that team na co relegation every. I think Kotoko. You co relegation every near decided say massa. because the team is going on me the Kotoko na example. You find say team be upper relegation and a team be that season watching the league. You also okay fine. Let me give my youth team players opportunity. If you want to so Babe sell.
Okay.
No. Babe sell. And it's what did more and also when you top Moroccan team boy. Until he wants to come down here. Make an impact and then go back.
Okay.
Until we say no, just say 2 years.
Oh, okay.
2 years.
Okay.
And Stanley Menzo and Kasana Nekasai telling him about the project. And at the Amakotoko say a goalkeeper from North Africa. So Obana would me be excel. Selling him back to a North African team.
And then the problem.
And the problem. It will be more of a business strategy.
Okay.
The main details are minimum story. Say a 2 years plus 1. More of a business strategy. Brabe bon modern. The best back at the Morocco. And I call Egypt. On say Egypt for the fire.
Yes.
When a Ghanaian goalkeeper be born home modern and a Nigerian goalkeeper be born home modern with Egypt league more. Say Kofana Bahai and high because you're funny saying call for me.
Yeah.
And also almost tono very, very easy.
Aye.
That is the secret behind the secret.
Okay.
Bano Bane dear or Madam Lad book competition. Currently as I speak to you is in Accra.
Okay. Hey. Real quick.
They are all Ghana. We're not submarine recruitment.
We the anti who they
yes, not the any day a signing. On bad training grounds
and trials be
and by observation and by there be.
Okay.
You are back na omashem. No more discuss them. Discuss them because we didn't come be.
Oh, nice.
I feel no baby share 10 Clanet Menzo in person. A phone soon come over, they are going to meet him in person. Now, Utie dia, the coach is in love with the boy.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
As a coach, you know, or Padiebi. So, no, after the Lego Master, a ball playing, a possessive base game.
Yeah, we are.
The Penifona can't say, Kotokono, and dear back which it for the pen say, but Bobo Efe.
No, dear.
So no, and I say, as a set match be a Kotokobi Bubiano. Supporters in the free stadium. Normally, in Sambo, I will be a Kotokobi Bobe 50 passes at a go. Na pa. Na on. Sabo ni bi ni mu pa. Say one no krana. Ese omuse Kotoko bo.
Bo.
Omo bo na nkasa.
Yeah.
Including a goalkeeper, also a left-footed. Tene die ne ya ko say Ederson name. Pep Guardiola die no. Pep was not looking out for keeper. Oh, but she shot because he feel that his team is going to have most of the ball. So that is going to eliminate the number of chances and opponents creating.
Yes. Yeah.
And the team. I say the idea.
Yeah.
But me ball into how can you create more than me? Prince, that is what I'm picking. By Sunday, it should be done.
Okay, nice. So are you ready for democracy?
Yes.
Okay.
Unless any last minute be Babibo. And this was coming directly from the director of football and the head coach to the management.
Okay.
Director of football, because now one person come almost relax the deal. So at the point, I'm taking the deal out while they were hoping for something from Omo.
Yes.
But it looks like they still feel that Omunyan Senior Omo Peno. So Cleverson Obe will be registered as part of the 10 academy players. Where Obenya ni focus to play for the Kotoko second division.
Okay.
Then these 3 will compete for the goalkeeping department.
Eish.
And on any day Filoba. So he's in Accra. He's in Ghana.
Okay.
And everything will follow. The Prince. Statistics, details, no. Still now on your convenience.
Still now, me share that nyoki.
But the car is can now almost spending it at dinner and assessing.
Maybe they me share. Nesu goalkeeper na there. I think say Asante Kotoko are good with the 3 goalkeepers they are having now. Danlad, Dari Aziz, Cleverson. Me, I still think they are okay with them. And think and shedding here so more for best about the count. Timmy become media, you know, any pay me who are there. Any the stats number here when a club with him.
Statistics can be deceptive.
Yeah.
Any video now will share. Net was saying. Oh.
Video is over. Ne eh. But send the bia one kasa kan. Baby a player no. Baby a player.
Is all the card ever make any. So me come say my menka.
Baby a player no bo ampa hono de amfa ma. Auntie. Baby a bo before na moto mu no ye hu. Baby a we mistake bi ne ye hu. De keka bo mu no.
Ember video.
And embem bi. Auntie maybe there but all the same the other plan now the buy and I think I am much okay. Say Kotoko sees this as an investment they will get it back.
Exactly.
And what they are going to invest now because say Koba say a far it is easy selling the player back to Moroccan clubs now. And also the SI or national no crowd any amount you call for they'll be willing to pay. And also a smart move. And send your kind Stanley Menzo coach Eric Tenklan cause recommendations actually say they have something special goalkeeper way they by can't team now. But so far if we so bad they are then it means Kotoko goalkeepers no more in the league in this said will be any 3 goalkeepers omunyi now so bet me status
obi entimi na Kotoko compare
goalkeeper ne dey over club be any ho.
Okay.
3 impo se Koba se Moroccan goalkeeper you na be number 1 na chi goalkeeper Danlad so chi nso goalkeeper Dari Aziz so bad I know she would there
okay
person mo ye ne there
more to come on this channel. Bye bye.